Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer, Please Mr. Postman. I'm starting this one off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And this is MJ Lacquer, Please Mr. Postman. It's a thermal and y'all know I love thermals. Oh, pretty. So we're going to go in with our first coat. Now when this one is warm, it's almost like totally clear. But it's got flakies in it, so it's got the zzz going on. I'm going to cap my free edge here and let that dry just for a little bit. And then we're going to pop in with our second coat. And you can see it's blue when it's cooler. And as soon as it hits my nail, it goes clear because it's my fingers are warm. But it can be kind of puzzling when you're painting with thermals because they do change as you're brushing them. Like that one's looking kind of blue. It's looking a little blue. There we go. I'm going to top it with a Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. You can see on the tips of a couple of my nails that it's really blue. I love that. So reactive. Get that top coat on there. I'm still in love with this Pro FX. I promise you, if I find it on eBay, I'm getting me some more. I mean, I do have backups. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And there's a swatch photo on its own. I'll be using the Yeebler nail foil glue. I've had this forever. I probably got it from like Born Pretty or AliExpress. And I'm going to go in with a thin coat of it. And I kind of keep going over it because it's trying to pool and separate, and I want to make sure I have full coverage. Because I'm going to use these little feather nail foils today. Once that nail glue's dry, I'm going to go tap these in and rub them down. I'm going to break out a little Cuticle Pusher and use that just to kind of smooth over and make sure I'm getting all those spots. Get them to stick down. And I loved these little nail foils. I thought they were so pretty. I don't even know where I got them. I'm telling y'all, it's crazy. So there we go. And I'm going to go in and do another nail. Mush it down with my finger and kind of smooth it out a little bit. And then pop in there with that little Cuticle Pusher. I like this one because it's got like a soft rubbery end to it. So I'm not worried about gouging that nail foil glue or polish or anything like that. Rub, rub, rub. Get it all rubbed in. Peel it off. And if you missed a spot, you can always kind of go in and tap more in. Rub it. There you go. Ta-da! So I'm going to do one more. And this piece, I just went ahead and cut it off so that I could, you know, save the rest of it that I hadn't used yet. And I'm just rubbing that in real good. Making sure to get close up by that cuticle area. The sidewalls and all of that. And it's been a while since I played with nail foils, so I thought it was time. And here we go. We got one more little nail to do. And I'm going to have to go back in because I'm using like the remnants, the leftovers. So I'm not going to have full coverage on this one. But I'm going to pop that up and then find a piece that I like and just go back in with it. And if your nail glue dries to where it's not really working, you can go over all of this with a little bit more nail glue and let it dry and then go at it again. And there we go. I'm going to top this with Picture Polish's Revolution. It is a top coat made just for nail foils. And you can also use it as a peel off, I'm pretty sure. And I'm going to cover all that design really, really well. Let it totally dry. And then I'm going to use the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls to seal this manicure in and protect those beautiful little nail foils I got on my digits. I'm going to cap my free edge here. So I do have a couple of swatch photos, and this is in its warm state and then in its cold state. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.